My name is Justin Peters. I'm the sales manager here at H2 Precast. I've been here for 27 years. I basically started here back when there was 8 or 9 people working up to the 100 people we have today. Did everything from driving truck, working on the deck, laboring, quality control, to the position I am in now. Most important factor in keeping a good relationship with my client is communication. Letting them know from the beginning where we're standing, whether it be with submittal drawings, at the beginning of the project, to production, to delivery of the product. And if there's an issue, letting them know as soon as possible so they're not caught by surprise. Personally, I work with the engineers as far as getting the job designed on how we would build it from the beginning, and that starts out in the quote process. For instance, they may put a set of plans out, calling out for a certain product. We are going to look at it and see the easiest way for us to build it the most efficient way, and maybe we do a little bit of tweaks in the beginning, and there's a lot of back and forth with the engineer that way. We get a lot of phone calls on them asking us on how we would construct something. Customer service is very important. We want to make sure that when the job is complete, that they're very satisfied that we took care of them. We want to make sure that the customer comes back to us again and again and again. Most of these people here I've grown up with, their kids have grown up with my kids, been friends with them 20 plus years. It's a family here. When I leave home in the morning, I'm coming to my second home. I'm probably here with people here more than I am with my wife and my kids and my family for that matter. We're all comfortable with each other. We all get along great. And at the end of the day, I really couldn't see myself doing anything else.